Engine time. Let's get to it. What's going on, good people? So today we're going to get to tearing this engine down. This right here, right now, is my setup, the Cobra intake. We're going to do with an inch spacer. That's what I got for setup right now. But I think it's going to be a good setup. We're going to get this damn powder coated. I'm thinking all black. Black accessories. That's what I'm thinking. 100% black. Except for these right here. Those won't be black. But no further ado. Let's get to it. All right, y'all, so let me show y'all something right quick. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Should I go 2 or 1? The 1 would be on this side. I got a single turbo set up already. As far as pipes, headers, and all that good stuff. I will go over here. This one will be a regular header. Let me know what y'all think, man. All right, let's get back to it. All right, guys, so it died. So by the time I realized that doggone GoPro died, I had already did all of this. So let's jump y'all back in on this so we can get this thing completed and doggone done. So what I'm about to do before I throw you guys in time lapse, I'm about to take disconnect these connecting rods, and then I will go on to get the crank out. Now, one thing you want to do is, hold on, let me reach out. When you take these off, the main caps, when you take these off, they go in a certain order. I'm gonna need these. All this other stuff here, I don't need. So I'm dropping it out. I'm hitting it any kind of way I want to. It doesn't matter. I don't need it. But I need these main caps. So we're gonna take those off. And then I'm gonna put the bolts back in here. Once we get them off, put them back in the same position. So let's get back to it. All right, one more thing. Let me show you on this one right here. Jesus Christ. Shit's still oily as fuck. All right. You look on there. Hopefully you can see it. You see the number and you see an arrow. The arrow points towards the front. So you shouldn't turn it this way. The arrow pointing backwards towards the motor. This arrow points towards the front of the motor. So make sure you put it back on there like that. And in order. And this last one here comes with the rear main seal. This is the rear main seal. Oil pan seal is on top, but this is the rear main seal right there. And I wonder, should I take this bolt out? Yeah, I'm gonna get that bolt out later. There we go. We are out. All right, y'all. So there go a quick breakdown of how to tear down the engine. It's not hard. It's rather easy. The hard part is putting it back together in the right tolerances. And if you can do that, then it shouldn't be an issue. But here we go. It's broken down as far as you can break it down. There's only one thing left, and that's these cam bearings. And the shopper knocked those out. Even though I got a tool over there that'll take those out, I'm gonna let them do that, so I ain't gotta even be bothered with it. But this is kind of gonna end the video, but I got one more thing for y'all. We finally got a sponsor, man. We've been doing this for like a year. Remember, we've been doing this for a little bit more than a year. And we finally got a sponsor. And I'm gonna show y'all what the sponsor got it. Sponsored for us, shall I say. All right, hold on, y'all. Let me get this. Sponsor got us this, a 12.3 screen for the coupe. Y'all know who the sponsor was? Santa Claus. Santa Claus got us this shit. Ain't he fucking nice, man? Fucking Santa, I tell you. He got us this, and he got us one more thing. Maybe y'all seen it in the background, but he got us a new welder too, man. A multi-purpose welder. That thing can weld, it can TIG, it can do aluminum, and it can stick. So, Santa Claus hooked us up, man. Finally got us a damn sponsor, man. somebody that care about BSG, man, making it to the next level. But in order to make it to the next level, man, you gotta have the right equipment. And that is what we needed. That welder for definite, for sure. But that's gonna end the video, y'all. So, like, comment, subscribe, man. Overall, subscribe. Especially if you've been here before and you just watching the videos, man. Go ahead down to the bottom, man, and hit that subscribe button. It don't cost you nothing. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Just subscribe, man, so we can move up to the next level. All right. So, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, man. We're gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.